Okay, let's look at this problem. We are given 4 raised to the power of x minus 8 raised to the power of x is equal to 0. And I think by the virtue of the question, we are asked to find the value of x because it's only x that is unknown there. So anytime a variable is involved in the problem, you don't even need anybody to tell you that that is what you have to calculate for or that is what you're looking for. So let's see how we can get this. From here, we have 4 raised to the power of x. We can put it as 4 raised to the power of x minus this 8 here can actually be splitted into 2 as 4 times 2 all raised to the power of x and is equal to 0 because 4 times 2 will give us 8, right? Then we remember from laws of indices that if we have a times b raised to the power of, let's say x is the same thing as a raised to the power of x times b raised to the power of x. So if we apply that principle there, that means we have 4 raised to the power of x minus this one will become 4 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 0. Is that okay? So if we check out this problem very well, you discover that 4 is common here. We have 4x here, 4 raised to the power of x here. We have 4 raised to the power of x here. Let's factorize it out. That means we have 4 raised to the power of x into, we have 1 here because 4 raised to the power of x times 1 will give us back this. And then minus 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 0. So if you have these two things multiplying themselves and then it's equal to 0, it therefore means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 0. But then this condition is not realistic in real life. There's no value of x that will make this to be equal to 0. So 4 raised to the power of x can never be equal to 0. Then the second one is 1 minus 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 0. So let's work with this. We can actually take this one to the other side. That means we have 1 to be equal to 2 raised to the power of x. But we know that we can still express 1 as multiples of 2, right? That will be 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So from here, we see that the bases are the same, which is 2, 2. Then what do? We equate the powers. So when we do that, it means x will be equal to 0. And of course, this is the solution because by the time you take the value of x and put back here, you discover that the solution will actually be 0. So if you like this solution and then you want to see more like this, do where to follow my page and then share it to others too. Bye.